Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Suzuki GSX-R1000 superbike. This thing is in really cool shape. Blue and white, classic colors. It's got the smoke windscreen, M4 exhaust. Wait till you hear that exhaust. 25,000 miles on the odometer. It's got the seat cowl, fender eliminator. We also have a rear seat for you if you want to ride two up. Come on by and make your superbike dreams come true for just $69.90. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.